Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. So today I'm going to be working on the golf cart here. So I got a weatherproof cover for this thing. It's by a company called Tecoom. So let me get to the unboxing and show you what the cover is. Okay, so here's the box and here's how it came shipped. I got this off the Amazon Marketplace, or Amazon, sorry, not Marketplace. I'm just going to open the box here. Here we go. And as I open the box, the first thing that I notice is it comes with a really nice case that it is cased in. So yeah, that's super nice. So this can actually go in the back of my cart and I'll be able to carry it around whenever I'm not using it. So let me get it opened up. Okay, so when I open it, here's what comes in it. Here's the case. First thing that I notice is the quality of it is very good quality. Very thick material. This thing is actually pretty heavy duty as well. So let me unfold it and I'm going to be putting it on the golf cart. Okay, so I finally got the cover on here. So a few things I want to point out is this is Oxford cloth material, meaning that it is waterproof, it's windproof, it is rainproof, dustproof. So not sure if it's picking up, but there's dust on here. Literally it just wipes right off, which is awesome. But it is, like I said, waterproof, windproof, rainproof. And also these clear PVC windows, super nice, super strong. The zippers, they're awesome too. If you look at the zipper here, it's a double-sided zipper, so you can zip it inside and outside. Super thick zipper, zips up and down really easily on here. And you can get in and out really easily. These buckles here, these are actually really slick. So what you do is you hook them on, and then after, here I'll show you with this one here. So you would hook this on to the golf cart, and then you would just pull this down to tighten it up, and then flip it up and snap it in. And when it's snapped in, like this is the door, I won't snap this one, but like this one, it's snapped in. It's not coming undone. It's gonna hold. Some other rain covers that I've used or weather covers that I've used, it's just had like little clips that just pull tight and they always come loose. This is awesome because it's got little teeth that grab the strap, which actually holds it and doesn't allow it to unlock or come out. A couple other cool features that this thing has is, the PVC windows, they're really nice. You can see through the back of it, so it would make your rear view mirror, you could see out of it. It actually has access to the tail lights, so cars behind you will see the tail lights on your golf cart. So those are some really cool features of this. So this is what it's looking like. Total time to put this on, set it up, maybe about 6-7 minutes. It didn't take too long. It was really easy to do. Just figuring out the straps for the initial time on how to strap them and everything. That's what took the longest, but it's really easy to do. As we go into the front here, you'll see that it molds to the front of the cart really well. Some features that it does have is you'll see these straps that are Velcro. So you could actually unzip this window, roll it up, and then Velcro it up, and it'll stay out of the way. So super sweet, super nice, and actually I like it a lot. So let me get you inside the cart and we'll go for a ride and see what it's like. So here we are. I got on my straight here. So it's pretty rainy day out. But as you can see, you would actually see out of it pretty clearly. It's actually really nice. So far, it seems to be holding up good. I'm not going full blast yet, but we're gonna test it out with speed and see how bad if it comes loose or if it flops, and just give a good review about it. So let me pull up on the street here. I have my golf cart set to go about 30 miles an hour. So I'm just gonna punch it, and then we'll just go down the street a little bit and then come back. Okay, so here's my impression. When I'm going down, it's not flopping around when it's going 30 miles an hour. The other one that I had, it would be flopping around and making a lot of noise. But this one, so far so good. I don't hear anything bad. It's holding up. It's probably about 40 degrees, 45. So it is pretty chilly out. And I'm wearing I'm wearing just a t-shirt, and I don't notice anything like a lot of wind coming in here. And you're obviously gonna get a little bit of wind, but it doesn't block a ton of wind. And overall, it's just a good cover. So. Alrighty, and we are back from the ride. So I actually rolled up the door so you kind of see how it holds up. So the whole side actually does that. So you can unclip everything and just roll it up and just keep it up on top. But this is a super nice cover. It's really good. It's very windproof. I wasn't driving in the rain, but I'm sure it will be just fine and waterproof. It's just that fabric. It's a super good fabric, and it is a waterproof material, so it's looking good. But here is the cover, and this was a review. So if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Later.